Ibamaka UK TV presents Igbo Sports and Fun Day in London on Saturday the 24th of August 2019, which is the August Bank Holiday weekend at Rutland Walk Sports and Social Club, Catford, London SE6 4LG. Time 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Activities for the day are parents football match, male and female, parents race, male and female as well, children's race and football match. There will also be Zumba dance performance, fitness coaching, table tennis competition, children's face painting, DJ music, barbecue of different flavors, and many more. Entry for the sports day is free for adults and children. Then, the next evening being Sunday the 25th of August 2019, the fun continues with a gala night for adults in the hall of the same address. A beautiful and hilarious affair for us all. There will be exclusive DJ music, couples dance competition, on-the-spot fun questions for couples. So ladies, get ready to berate your guys, and men, get ready to be gentlemen, if only for one night. Haha. It will be a night to remember. There will be assorted drinks and food. Tickets £20. Time 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. Umibo, be there. Bring your friends along as well. They will know.
Oringa toa misi isi ayefe na tapa yefe nabanya onwele ife na eme ife ni negeme